Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just fitted an Autowatch Ghost on a 2008 Nissan GTR. This product's very straightforward to use. All you do is jump in the vehicle, turn on the ignition, insert a secret code, get a double flash from the indicators. If the code is correct, the car will start. If the code's incorrect, it won't start. So basically, ignition on, insert the right code. We'll get a double flash from the indicators, showing you the code is correct, and the vehicle will start. This product also has the facility to place the system in a valet code, which means you don't have to give the code sequence to anybody. And the way you do that is ignition on again, insert the secret code. You'll receive a double flash from the indicators. The code is correct. Double flash, and then you insert the rear demister button 5 times. You'll get 5 flashes. This is now in valet mode. Vehicle will start. It will also start as many times as you want it to start without having to insert the code. I'll do that again. To take it out of valet mode, you can take it out 2 ways. Ignition on, insert the code. Double flash. 1. Car starts. Or another way is if someone was to exceed the speed limit of 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes, when it goes back to the workshop or the valet bay, you turn off the ignition, the vehicle will not start until the secret code is entered. See, the vehicle's now immobilised, can't start the vehicle. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0208 906 0478. Thank you, bye bye.
Sir?